Scroll down to get npx command, copy same line, name, paste in terminal now. Hello everyone, today in this video I will show how to set up development environment for React, and we will create a React app using very easy steps. Before getting started, let's know what is React. React is JavaScript library which help you developing single page application user interface. It is JavaScript library but used as framework and most popular JavaScript library nowadays when it comes to building single page application. Single page application does not reload while redirecting to another page, which gives you great user experience. In React, we use .jsx files, JavaScript, XML. JSX helps keeping code simpler. Also, you can embed HTML in same page. In React, you can divide your page into multiple components. Component let you split your page into independent and reusable pieces. Say navigation component, footer component, header component, and many more as per your requirements. Now, what are benefits of using Reacts? Reusability, creating components, easy data flow using props, maintaining state, SEO friendly, JavaScript and HTML in same file are some benefits of using most popular JavaScript library. Now, let's get started with setting up development environment for React app, for which we need NodeJs and npm installed in our computer. So I will just type download NodeJs and hit enter. Then download NodeJs. Choose your appropriate installer. I click on Windows installer. If you need NodeJs for some other operating system like Mac or Linux, then you will find here. Once your NodeJs is downloaded, go to download folder and double click to install NodeJs. Then click on next. Check to accept agreement, then next. Leave default location, or you may change if you wish. Then next, next. Next with default setting, and finally install. It takes few seconds to get finished. Lastly, click finish. Now let's check whether Node.js is working fine. For that, open PowerShell or command prompt. Type npm then node -- version. Also check node. If those commands are recognized, then seems everything installed and working fine and good to go for creating React app. To create a React app using vscode, right click inside any folder you want to create app and open Windows PowerShell. Then type code space dot to open Visual Studio Code with same path. Now we are inside folder. We want to create our very first React application. Now go to terminal and open new terminal. Then type npx create React app, or go to Google and search for create React app. Click on first result, scroll down to get npx command, copy same line, name, paste in terminal. Now change name as you wish. Then hit enter. Generally it takes few minutes to create React app and install packages required. After successful creation of React app, you may be able to see this message on your terminal screen. Newly React app boilerplate is created. To run your created React app, go inside React example folder using cd command in terminal, and then type npm start. Finally, a new tab with this will be open in your browser once your app is started. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share my video.